Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to update CRA account after PR in 2025. For that, first of all, you will have to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for canada.ca. Now, once you simply search for it, once you are over here, you need to go to Canada Revenue Agency, that is CRA, and then you will have to simply select update your information with the CRA. Then you will be landed on this page, that is update your personal information with the CRA. Now I will also try to put the link of it down in the description, so you can just click on the link and then you will be landed on this page. Now the first thing that you need to do here is to simply log in into your CRA account. So click on this sign in option and you just have to simply sign in with any of these options that are mentioned here. Now once you have successfully signed in, you need to select your individual account to access your account. Then you need to go to your profile and then go to your contact information. There you will have to select the edit option, and after that you will have to update your personal details like your permanent resident address, and you will have to provide the supported documents there as well. So you just have to simply follow these simple steps in order to basically update your CRA account quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.